Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the essentials: your Outlook email and password, and a stable internet connection. Open Outlook on your device or go to Outlook. In a browser and click Sign In. Once done, type your full email address into the account field and press Next. Make sure you pick the right account type if prompted. Work or school accounts sometimes redirect to an organization sign-in page. This gets you to the password stage quickly and securely. You now enter your password. Pause and check caps lock and keyboard layout so you don't lock the account. If your account has multi-factor authentication, approve the push or enter the 6-digit code from your Authenticator app or SMS. For legacy mail clients, generate an app password in your account security settings and paste it where the normal password would go. Once authenticated, choose whether to stay signed in on that device. Make that decision based on You finish by allowing any requested permissions and waiting as Outlook syncs messages and folders. If mail doesn't appear, refresh, check sync status, or restart the app. Make sure device time is accurate because wrong system time can break authentication. If login fails repeatedly, try clearing your browser cache or use an incognito window. Alternatively, attempt the mobile app. One key troubleshooting tip: reset your password or contact your organization's admin if the account.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.